Welcome to our video series about Industry 4.0 and the 6 related design principles. In this video we cover decentralization. What does it imply for the production and why does it play such an important role in Industry 4.0? The ubiquity of cyber-physical systems embedded in the production process enable the decentralization of decision-making. Machines and systems of the factory floor are able to autonomously adapt to sudden changes and to reorganize the production schedule to improve productivity. What does it mean? The increasing modularity of production processes provide an increased flexibility in process variants for more individual goods and easier quantity adjustments. On the other hand, a higher modularity leads to more complexity in the control of processes. In addition, it is required to provide the right information and assistance at the right workstation at the right time. The more complex the production system gets, the more difficult a centralized control gets. The idea of decentralization allows to handle complexity by decentralized decision-making, where smart objects in form of machines, products or transportation systems communicate and negotiate via agent systems directly with each other, while products route themselves through the production. To do so, not only machines, equipment and operators, but also the various products have to be able to communicate among themselves so they can take part in the negotiation process. One example could be a disturbance or downtime on internal shop floor level or in higher value creation networks. In the sense of horizontal integration, alternative capacities and transport routes in dependency of global optimization parameters will be negotiated. In order to achieve this, a real-time capability of communication and interoperability gets necessary, which will be explained later on. In addition to decentralized control, other aspects of decentralization are important. By cyber-physical production systems, a new holistic decentralization gets possible. Next to the organization, also services, software or objects of the factory can be provided decentralized and be the basis of autonomous working production modules. By an increasing number of products and their unpredictable routes, assistance for equipment and human workers have to be ensured. New technologies like the Internet of Things and services provide the basis for a flexible and situation-dependent access and provision of information and services.